Open your textbooks. So this is page number 199, areas of plane figures. Areas of plane figures. See, suppose if you take a diagram like this. This is one diagram. Don't write anything. If you observe this diagram 1 and diagram 2, this is only will have some length and breadth. That means only 2 dimensions. There is no thickness. But whereas this length, breadth and height also there are 3 dimensions, 1, 2 and 3. So if you take your textbook, so see, it is having one length, it is having the breadth or say height, length, breadth and also thickness. There is some thickness. But whereas this is only length and height or whatever you call breadth. So only 2 dimensions. There is no thickness. There is no thickness for this diagram. But whereas this diagram, length, breadth and thickness. So whenever there is another thickness, that is a volume type of figures, this is 3D figures. So this is 3D figure. You will study about this later. So this type of figures only have 2 dimensions. These are called plane figures. Plane figures which can be drawn. There is no thickness, just a diagram, no thickness. But here, so this one and length, breadth and thickness. So this is called a 3D figure. This is a 2D figure, only 2 dimensions, length and breadth. So now we are discussing about these 2D figures only. Plane figures means only 2D figures, also called plane figures. So in this, how to find the areas? How to find the areas of these plane figures, that we are going to discuss in this chapter. For that already you studied some formulas in the lower classes. So same I am going to repeat now, and using those formulas we can go for the problems. First let me give some formulas. So first let us discuss about triangle. You already know what is a triangle. See here. A plane figure bounded by 3 sides is called a triangle. This is a triangle. A plane figure bounded by 3 sides. This is one side, this is one side, this is one side. So this is a triangle. And you studied some formulas also. This is called base. This is the base. This is called base. Say base is say something. Okay, on only base. From the opposite vertex, if you draw a perpendicular line, I will draw the bigger figure. See here. This is the base. Draw a perpendicular line. This is called height. From the opposite vertex, if you draw a perpendicular line making 90 degrees with the base, perpendicular means 90 degrees, straight perpendicular line. We can't draw this cross inclined lines. This is not the height. This is not the height. Straight line which makes 90 degrees with the, this is the symbol for 90 degrees. This is the symbol for 90 degrees. Wherever I write like this, that means it is 90 degrees. So it is also called perpendicular line like this. If it is inclined, it is not perpendicular. Perpendicular means straight. So this is the height, this is the base. So you studied the formula for area of the triangle, that is half base into height. This formula you studied, and we have one more formula also, but it is not applicable in this chapter. So we may study it in the higher classes. Only one formula, half base into height. So first write down this triangle side heading. Write down triangle. Write down the triangle. A plane figure bounded by three sides is a triangle. Write down. Triangle. A plane figure bounded by three sides is called a triangle. Write down. Area is equal to half base into height. Half base into height. This is the area. Perimeter is equal to sum of all sides. If three sides are given, if you add them, we will get all perimeter. Perimeter we don't have in this chapter, just I am giving the formula. So just I am giving the formula, we don't need this formula, so only area formula is needed. Half base into height. Base, this no confusion, but height means it should be perpendicular, making 90 degrees. So half base into height is the formula for area of the triangle. Perimeter is sum of all the three sides. This side plus this side plus this side gives the perimeter. So write two formulas. Sum of all sides. Sum of three sides. All are three, both are same. So because it will have only three, no. Sum of three sides. Suppose if the side is this is A, this is B, this is C. A plus B plus C is the perimeter where A, B, C are the sides. So write this formula for the triangle. Write down. Second. See here. If it is bounded by four sides, it is a quadrilateral. See. If it is bounded by four sides, it is called a quadrilateral. In that, see, if opposite sides are equal, it is called trapezium. Square, rectangle, rhombus, parallelogram. So all these are under the heading quadrilateral. So you studied some formulas in the lower classes. So let me write the formulas which you already studied in the lower classes. Now second formula, this is for trapezium. Write down. Trapezium means in a quadrilateral, if only two sides are parallel, other two sides are not parallel. Any order. This type of diagram is called trapezium. Trapezium means two sides are parallel. Say in this diagram, this is parallel to this. If only two sides are parallel, other two are not parallel, so this is a trapezium. So this is a trapezium. Write down. Trapezium, two sides are parallel. Write down. A plane figure bounded by four sides. A plane figure having four sides in which two sides are parallel. Two sides are parallel. Two sides are parallel is called trapezium. A plane figure bounded by four sides in which two sides are parallel is called a trapezium. What is the formula for area of the trapezium? Half, see here. Suppose if this side is A, this side B, only parallel sides we have to consider, not these inclined sides. Only parallel sides. So the formula is sum of the parallel sides. So the formula for area of trapezium, first you have to add the parallel sides, sum of the parallel sides into height. So this is the formula for area of trapezium, half of sum of the parallel sides into height. Suppose this side is A, this side is B. So then how to get the height? Height means draw perpendicular line, perpendicular straight line. Suppose from here if I draw the perpendicular line. Perpendicular means making 90 degrees with the base. So this is the height. Straight 90 degrees. Or if you draw like this, it should make 90 degrees with this and 90 degrees with that. So like this. This is also H. H. You can take any one. Oh, that is enough. That is. So half into, suppose if this side is A, this side is B, into say height is H. So this is the formula for area of trapezium. What is the area of trapezium? Half sum of the two parallel sides into height. Remember this formula. So we may use it in solving our problems. Write this formula. And that is the shape of the trapezium. Third diagram. Rectangle, you know it. Rectangle, you know. Bounded by four sides. Rectangle will have four sides in which opposite sides are equal and each angle is 90 degrees. In this is called length, this is called breadth, and you know the area of rectangle is length into breadth. The formula for area, don't write, that is L into B. Write down, rectangle. It will have four sides. It will have four sides. In which opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. Each angle is 90 degrees. Opposite sides are equal. Each angle is right angle. Right angle or 90 degrees same. Each angle is right angle. Opposite sides are equal. Each angle is 90 degrees. Here diagonals also equal. That point also you write. Here diagonals also equal. Simple formula. Area of rectangle, what is the formula? Length into breadth, L into B. Do you know the perimeter formula? Perimeter. This is not required in this chapter, but I will give the formula. Perimeter is 2 into L plus B. The formula for perimeter. So rectangle means this is the shape of the rectangle. Opposite sides are equal. Each angle is straight. This is straight, this is straight. It will not be inclined. So 90 degrees and the diagonals also equal. Area of rectangle is length into breadth. Perimeter is 2 into L plus B. Write the next formula. In this rectangle only, if all sides are equal, it will become square. Square means all sides are equal. So this is yes, 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 yes. All sides are equal. Right. This will have 4 sides. All sides are equal. All sides are equal. Yes, 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 yes. All sides equal. Each angle is 90 degrees. Write down. Each angle is right angle. Right angle means 90 degrees. Diagonals are equal. Diagonals are equal. These are the some properties of the square. So now I will give the formula for area and formula for perimeter. Area of square is side into side. Side square. Right down. Area of square is side into side, that is side square, that is S square. Perimeter is 4 into side. Suppose if side is S, that is 4S. Area of square formula, side into side or side square or S square. Perimeter is 4S. Fifth point, parallelogram. See, parallelogram is like this. Opposite sides are equal, like rectangle only, but it may have inclined also. If it is a straight, it is a rectangle. If it is perpendicular vertical, it is a rectangle. So if it is not perpendicular, angle is 90 degree. If it is not 90 degrees, so then it is normal parallelogram. So this is a parallelogram. Here also opposite sides are equal. This is equal to this. This is equal to this. Here angle is not 90 degrees and diagonals also not equal. So this is a parallelogram. The condition is it will have 4 sides. Opposite sides are equal. Right now. Parallelogram. This will have 4 sides. This will have 4 sides. In which opposite sides are parallel and equal. Opposite sides are parallel and equal. Opposite sides are parallel and equal. See here, what is the formula for the area? This is called base. And if you draw perpendicular line anywhere, that is the height. Height means it should be perpendicular 90 degrees to the base. So from wherever you draw, it should be 90 degrees. So that is the height. So area of parallelogram is base into height. Right now, base into height. Next, last one, rhombus. Write down, rhombus. Same type of diagram, if all sides are equal. All sides are equal, it is a rhombus. All sides are equal. All sides are equal. All sides are equal and parallel. So write down. It will have four sides. It will have four sides. Where all sides are equal. All sides are equal. And opposite sides are parallel. Opposite sides are parallel. All sides are equal, opposite sides are parallel. So area of rhombus formula, you write down half one diagonal into other diagonal, half d1 into d2. Write down this formula. So 5 formulas I gave, and that's all. Only 5 formulas are applicable here in this chapter. A small chapter, but problems may be difficult. So some problems may be difficult, may have lot of diagrams inside one single diagram. Next also I will give one more formula. 6th one. Circle. Write down. Half d1 into d2, that is the rhombus. Circle. This is a circle. This is called its center. And the distance from center to any point on the circle is called its radius. So area of circle formula is pi r square, where pi is 22/7 and perimeter of circle is 2 pi r. Write down. Write down the heading circle. Write these two formulas. Area, perimeter. Where pi is 22/7 approximately. Wherever we get pi, we write 22/7. And r is the radius. R is diameter by 2. Half of the diameter. Suppose if diameter is given, if you make it half, this total is the diameter. Suppose if you join like this total is the diameter. If you make it half, we will get the radius. Radius is diameter by 2. So this is the formula for area of circle, pi r square, and perimeter of the circle. Right. Here pi is 22/7, r is the radius. Suppose diameter is given, divide it by 2, make it half, that gives the radius. One more last figure, semicircle, half circle. Half circle. Half circle. Semicircle. So area will be half of the circle. Circle for circle area pi r square means it will be half. Half of the total area. And this will be also half. So that is pi r. But this is not, no need. So this we won't get, only this one. Write down. Area of semicircle is pi r square by 2, half of the circle area. Perimeter we don't get. Perimeter means we have to add this, and we have to, this is half of the 2 pi r, and but we have to add this also. That is not there here. Only area of semicircle, half circle. If it is only half of the circle, that is a semicircle. So area of the semicircle is pi r square by 2. Write this formula. Students, so all the formulas I gave for all the 2 exercises, we have only 2 exercises. So for all the 2 exercises, these formulas are sufficient. But there will be some confusion. Diagram may be of different shapes may be given in the single diagram. So that you have to identify, you have to separate. Accordingly, you have to apply the formula. So let us start the exercise. One or two problems, simple problems. Let us complete today. So tomorrow we will continue the exercise. Exercise 9.1, 218 page number, students. 218 page number. 218 page number. All of you open the textbooks.